Gabby. Gabby, say please.
Take a picture, baby.
Whoa. Are you okay? You are? Okay, get up. Say please. Where are you going today? Gabby, where are you going? That's the plant. You like the plant? Do you like the plant? Another plant. You like the plant? You don't? You do. You like the plant. Where is Daddy going? Say bye. Bye bye. Gabby, say bye.
Bye to me? Oh my, she's had enough of me today.
Gabby.
Yes.
There you are. Say hi, Titi. Hi, Nana. Hi, Nana. Say Nana. Where's Nana? Over there. There's another picture. Where's Jose? Say hi, Jose. Hi, Jose. Bye. Say bye. Bye bye.